Hi, this is Random Small Engine Guy again. Thought I'd do a video on my new snowblower. It's a Toro Powerlite. It's got a way different auger than the Toro S200, but this one does a nice job. I put this big pull handle on there. It is missing the primer bulb, but it really doesn't even need it. It runs so good. We got probably, I don't know, inch and a half of snow, so I thought I'd do a quick video of it in action. So just gonna set the camera down. Okay. Does a nice job. It was kind of, how can I say, it was kind of crappy in that big snow. So I think I'm gonna buy new paddles on eBay. They're like $25. So place a scraper bar on it. really worn. Well, it's kind of broken. That's $10, and since I'm at it, I might as well replace the drive belt. That's $10 though. Altogether, it's about $45. But I'm gonna keep this one for myself. But thought I'd show a movie of it. Well, thanks for reviewing.